now.
Starting today's class. So, my dear ones, as you know very well, you know which day is today. I think you know very well. And fortunately, it is Saturday. And this day, you are free from all types of writing problems that you write in your class. Well, you are free from formal class. So, every Saturday, we have an informal class. We don't have any regular class. And in this class, you are given a topic to speak upon. And we know that today there are two batches of students, B20 and B21. Speaking is necessary for the students of B20, but it is not necessary for the students of B21. But those who are in B20 and B21, it is mandatory for them to speak upon the topic. ये हिंदुस्तान है, यहाँ पे सारी बातें पहले क्लियर कर देनी चाहिए, समझ गए ना आप? हाँ, 2 मिनट लगाते हैं यहाँ पे बात को ऑपरेशन करने में. However, if the students of B21, new students, if they want to speak on the topic or on any topic, suppose like last Saturday, if they want to speak about their father, their mother, their school, their teacher, anything, they are free. And I must say that you should try to speak. It doesn't matter much whether you speak one sentence, two sentence, three sentence, but gradually, if you continue this process, within a month you will be able to speak. हमेशा आपको छूट नहीं मिलेगी. एक तो सैटरडेज के बाद में आप भी उस लेवल पर आ जाओगे कि बोलना ही पड़ेगा आपको, तो आपको उस हिसाब से टॉपिक दिया जाएगा, लेकिन पहले उससे पहले तैयार कर देंगे हम आपको. फिर भी आप बोलना चाहें तो बोलें, लेकिन मेनली क्या है कि आपको सुनना है अच्छे से. क्योंकि एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखो आप कि इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ गुड स्पीकर, so it is naturally and necessary for you to be a good listener also. सुनिए ध्यान से क्या बोला जा रहा है, कितना समझ में आ रहा है, समझ में आ गई मेरी बात आपको? सो आज क्या टॉपिक दें हम आपको? अब ये हमेशा हर सैटरडेज को ये इस तरह का इशू रहता है. तो मैं आज आपको, हालांकि पहले हो चुका है ये टॉपिक, बट अगेन आई एम गिविंग यू, बिकॉज टुडे इट इज रेनिंग, द वेदर इज नॉट फाइन, but you are taking the class. There is no bad effect of this weather upon your class. So I think now you have understood what is today's topic.
Please don't give us topic of feedback.
Who of you have understood today's topic?
सर मैं
बोल देते इतनी देर में तो यार.
Advantage of
सर आपने बोला था सर हड़बड़ी ना करे.
हाँ यार, बिल्कुल यार, ये बात तो सही कह रहा है यार. तो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले ही कहा था और फिर मैं ही कह रहा हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, what are the advantages and disadvantages of online classes?
सर there is any choice and debate?
No choice. You have to speak upon both advantages and disadvantages.
Okay sir.
समझ गए आप? This is not a debate. You have to speak upon the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. And it is compulsory for the students of B20, but it is not compulsory for the students of B21. But if they want to speak upon the topic, they are welcome. But if they don't want, the students of B21, if they don't want to speak upon that topic, means upon online classes, they can speak upon anything. 2 sentence, 3 sentence, 4 sentence. I think it is clear to you. Is there any problem? तो बाद में कौन कौन आया एक बार तो जरा अटेंडेंस का देख ले और नाम डालना शुरू कर दो अपने. स्टार्ट गिविंग योर नेम्स. नताशा आ गई क्या? नताशा आई तो थी यार. ये क्या चक्कर पड़ रहा है आज? अभी भी आईडी दिख रही है इसकी. और रोशन भी आया था, अभी नहीं दिख रहा, मैंने तो एब्सेंट लगा रखी. और कार्तिक आया ही नहीं है. रेयांश नहीं आया. और कोई आया है क्या? रिया आ गई क्या? रिया
Yes, yes.
तो तू आ जा.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग. थोड़ा सा मैनेज कर ले टाइम को यार बेटा यार.
सर मैं ना ससुराल में शादी है तो वहाँ से क्लास ले पा रही हूँ तो इस वजह से थोड़ा
तेरे
लेट
से
हो
नहीं
गया.
कह रहा मैं, तेरा तो कोई बात नहीं. मैं तो इससे कह रहा हूँ रिया से थोड़ा सा मैनेज कर ले यार क्लास के लिए यार. क्यों थोड़ा सा कर लिया कर मैनेज कैसे भी करके. सुशील आदित्य
सर.
वेलकम. आ गई. हाँ बोलो.
टॉपिक तो बता दिया, जल्दी से क्लास स्टार्ट कर दो.
कर रहा हूँ यार तुम्हें यार, मैं तो काम ही तो कर रहा हूँ यार. जल्दी से क्या होता है इसमें यार? घर में ही तो बैठा है तू. तू कहाँ से, तेरे को वहां जाना है, वहां झुमरी तलैया.
ये कौन सी जगह है?
सर सर आप ही तो बोल रहे सर जल्दी से क्लास लेते फिर घर जाते अपने अपने.
हाँ तो घर जाएंगे तो यार, घर जाने का मतलब ये थोड़ी क्लास ही मत लो.
सर पर आपने ये भी तो बोला था कि हड़बड़ी नहीं करनी.
अच्छा ठीक है. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द क्लास. सम ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग रेस्टलेस, so this is not good. So yes, come on. First of all, I am calling Gaurav. Yes, come on, Gaurav.
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav and my today's topic is advantages and disadvantages of online classes. As you know that in the class we are in and taking these classes, these are online.
सुनो सब
We are
ध्यान
just
से.
sitting
हाँ.
we are just sitting in a room or a hall, on a sofa, on bed or on a chair table and taking these classes from our phones in comfortable zone. No worries of weather, heat or what social issues, means we are afraid of social of being social. So as you know that online classes have much pros, but it has also cons. Cons means disadvantages and pros means advantages.
हाँ.
So first of all, I will also start with not the pros but the cons. So the cons of online classes are that that students just can switch off the camera and go anywhere and just eat food, watch videos, play games, and sometimes even travel.
हाँ.
So this is one of the many disadvantages or cons of online classes. So second disadvantage is the internet. If we have no internet or the internet is used means your internet is used, so there will be connectivity problems and we will be not able to take the class. And the third that I know is means lack of interaction, means we can interact but there's not a feeling of that real interaction.
हाँ.
Yes sir.
हाँ बोल बोल बोल.
Yes sir.
I'm enjoying your
So-
speaking. Yes.
So means we can't interact like real life. Means not like that someone is standing in front of us and explaining us. We can and not you can understand that what I'm talking about. And fourth that I know is cheating. Means if a teacher that is not like Rajesh ji sir, he can't even check the copies or what are they doing. They can just tell lie. But our Rajesh ji sir, salute to him. He can he can he
फंक्शन
can
वक्शन
make
की बात
the
है हाँ हाँ
he can make the student afraid and make them send photo of their copies
हाँ
and this is how Rajesh ji sir check copies.
हाँ
So we can't tell lie in Rammad online interactive classes.
हाँ
Please don't lie. And now the pros means advantages. So first of all, you can just sit inside your homes in your comfort zone and just chill and take the class. And if you want some water, so just call your mom. Mom, give me water. And your water is presented on in front of you. If you want
ये तो चुपचाप
to
बैठ जाए तो हिले मत तू बहुत ज्यादा हमें चक्कर आने लगे तेरे को देख देख के
हाँ सर
हाँ
सर
नाचता रहता है कि बीमारी है कोई तेरे सीधा बैठ के बोल एक बार सीधा बैठ के बोल हाँ बोल अब।
yes sir online classes. The second advantage is that I know is that you can change wallpapers or filters. You can apply them anywhere, anytime. But you should have the internet. So you can change wallpapers. You can apply any filter or blur your background or just mute the class. Means you can't hear the class or just chat in the in call messages setting, or you can just apply earphones that if somebody is getting disturbed from your class, so just apply earphones and the solution. Or if you are being disturbed in the class, you just move to another room and lock the room and just chill and take the class. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking. Shabash. Keep it up. Yes, Harsh. हर्ष कहाँ है सो गया क्या आजा
Sir,
बोल
hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harsha and today my topic is advantages and disadvantages of online classes. So first I will tell you the disadvantages. There are a lot of disadvantages of online classes, like there is connectivity problem. We cannot make a straight eye contact with the teacher who is teaching to us. We cannot ask the questions if our connectivity is slow. But there are also many advantages. Sorry, sir. And the second disadvantage is if the teacher is scolding us, then we can mute the class and we will not be able to listen what the teacher is saying, and our parents would not be able to listen that the teacher is scolding us. And we will be in benefit by two ways. Like first, we will not be able to listen the scold of the teacher and also the parents. So this is a disadvantage for teachers, but the advantage for the students. And the other disadvantage is that students can tell a lie to save themselves from scold. Because if they have scored 10 out of 20, then they can say 15 out of 20. Because the teacher would not be having any proof against of them that they have scored 10 or 15. In this way, there are but this is a disadvantage. many people think that it is an advantage, but it is a disadvantage because in this way we are cheating to ourselves, not to teacher or not to our parents. Keeping the disadvantages aside, there are also many advantages. Like we can take the online classes by sitting anywhere. Like today's, like we can take the example of today. Today the weather is so harsh, we cannot go to school or we cannot go to office or any other place. But we can take online. But we are taking the class by sitting at our home on either on our sofa or on our bed. In if we are offline, then our teacher would if we are offline, then our teacher would not send us to drink water or washroom, but here we can just switch off the camera and go anywhere where we want. If the teacher asks us that why have we switch off the camera, then we can say that this is a connectivity problem. um, and and that's it, sir.
ये तुम्हारे को टीवी भी चल रहा है क्या आसपास?
नहीं सर.
आवाज कैसे आ रही है? डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है पीछे से. रोहित को बुलाओ. कम ऑन रोहित, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ अपना. थोड़ी आवाज तुम्हारी कम लग रही है मेरे को आज थोड़ी सी है. वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ अपना. हाँ आओ रोहित.
Yes sir.
बोल बेटा.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I am going to tell you about the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. So first of all, I will tell you about disadvantages of online classes. When we take online classes, there are a lot of connectivity problems to the class, we are not getting the proper internet that we want for.
First, you should tell
yes.
about advantages, then disadvantages.
Okay.
Advantage is a positive thing and disadvantage is a negative thing. So first we should talk about positive things.
नहीं सर, वो होता है ना कि पहले मतलब समस्या का फिर समाधान ऐसा टाइप. सर आपके तरीके से बोलता हूँ. Yes sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav and today I am going to tell you about advantages and disadvantages of online classes. So first of all, I will tell you about advantages of online classes. As you all know that online classes are very important and there are a lot of advantages of online classes. By sitting at our home and at our comfort zone, we can take the online classes and they are very helpful for our studies. And if we want to go somewhere by taking class only, like on bike also, we can take the online class. If any written work is not done, if any written work is not going on in the class, we can travel anywhere by taking the class, and we can also go to the washroom without asking by switching off the camera and saying to the teacher that it was a connectivity problem. And for teachers also, in the interactive classes, there are a lot of advantages for teachers because they can interact to the students, clear the doubts of the students, and students also can clear the doubts of them. And when we take online classes, we do not have any fear of public. Like when we sit in offline classes, we have a fear of public. Like we are not able to express our views fully. So in online classes, we are able to do that and get our doubts clear properly. So there are many advantages of online classes. One more advantage is that when we take online classes, we can have a lot of fun in the chats, and we can also talk to our classmate in the chats and can share our views related to the topic and also some social topics. So there are many advantages. Now I will tell you about some disadvantages. The most and the major disadvantages of online classes is the connectivity of the students. Students are not able to connect due to some network issue. Like sometimes we do not have data, and sometimes it is the connectivity problem. And on the days when data is not available for everyone, we cannot take the class. So these are the disadvantages of online classes, but overall online classes are very good and are full of advantages. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा आ गया बेटा, शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir.
कभी
Hello
सुनो ध्यान
everyone.
से,
My name is.
आप भी इसी स्टेज पर आओगे एक दिन, नो डाउट। ये भी शुरू में ऐसे ही थे जब आए थे, तो और आज देख लो आप इनका पर्व, ऐसे ही आप भी आओगे, इसीलिए बुलाता हूँ कि आप देखो, गेट मोटिवेशन। आपको भी इसी स्टेज पे आना है थोड़े दिनों के अंदर। यस, कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Vaurya and today I am telling about the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. As we all know that online classes are very important source of education in today's time because after COVID, online classes have become a permanent medium for taking education and this is very effective also for the society.
शाबाश।
Like uh, like there are many advantages of the online classes but there are also some disadvantages of it. First of all, I am telling about the advantages of online classes. As we, we know that we can take online classes at sitting any place and we and with and we can take online classes in any kind of weather, like if a, there is heavy rain outside, we are online classes enables us to take it by sitting inside the homes or any building, and there is no issue in taking these classes. But and all and but there are some students also who take full advantage of these classes,
फुल एडवांटेज,
like
वेरी गुड, यस। हाँ,
like if uh, if a student do not know the answer of a
डज नॉट नो,
question.
थोड़ा वर्ड फॉर्म पे ध्यान रखो बेटा।
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Does not know the answer of any question, and the teacher asks him about the question. He left the class and
लीव्स,
okay, sir. He leaves the class and gives the excuses that there is the network issue for the.
हाँ, यस, यू आर राइट, हाँ, यस।
And so I could not able to give the answer of the question, but students should not do so. This advantage is not good for them. We should take only legal advantages of these classes,
हाँ, यस,
and
हाँ,
but and having and we know that there are many mediums by, or you can say apps by which we can take the online classes, like YouTube, Google Meet, Zoom, and other apps also. And and we the and there is also a advantage of taking the online classes, that we should not go to any place for taking these classes. We Where we are sitting, we can take the classes from there. And if we take offline classes, we have to go some place to take these classes, and we get tired and bored by going there and coming from there. But this is not done in the online classes. And but along with many advantages of these classes, there are also some disadvantages of these classes, like sometimes there comes the problem of the network issue. So there so the but the student can't take the online classes properly and gets distracted. And also sometimes when he is taking these classes, he he is he is busy in some other work and do not focus on the
डज नॉट,
class.
थोड़ा फोकस करो।
And yes, sir, and does not focus on the class. and and by this in online classes, the teacher who is teaching also does not get get the information of the student, that he is not he is not focusing in the class. And sometimes the teacher sometimes the teacher is unable to focus on every student in the class, and this is a disadvantage for the online classes. And sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा बोले बेटा, वेरी गुड. एंड यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Maurya, and today's my topic is online classes. As you all know very well, that online classes are very important for us, and we can also take the example of COVID-19 when online classes were very popular, and students used to take these classes because government had a policy that no one should go outside of their home. And nowadays, many people have started taking these classes also. Like we can see that there are many online institutes all around us which can be taken by online classes also. And there are many advantages of online classes. Like in online classes, we can take these classes in any type of situation, whether the weather is cold, warm, or if there is rain. And in online classes, in online classes we can clear our doubts also if the classes are interactive, and we can also know about the world. And in online classes we are able to speak, and we are also in front of our teacher, so that he can also call our work as offline teacher. And nowadays we can see that many institutes have started their online classes. Like we can take the examples of PW, XP Hub, and many more. And nowadays many people are taking these classes because there are many benefits. Like they can understand many things by sitting at their home, and they can also understand everything without going to their coaching classes by doing a lot of hard work. And uh, if the offline classes are very, or we can say far from their houses, then they can take online classes, because the standard of online classes nowadays is very good, and we can take the online classes without any doubt. And there are also some disadvantages of online classes. Like sometimes there are network issues, so that we can't speak right or do anything in the online classes. And sometimes the students uh, don't take online classes, but they used to play games on in their mobile phone. And sometimes they make an excuse that they have a network issue and don't answer the questions. And the teacher can't also and the teacher can't also know about this, because it is upon the student. If it is true, then he will tell the answer or say that I don't know. And sometimes the students do these types of things, that they don't answer the question, and it seems to the teacher that the student has left, or he has the problem of internet. So there are also disadvantages, and also many advantages of online classes. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, ठीक है बेटा. यस, कोमल. ये सब पुराने स्टूडेंट हैं, इसलिए ज्यादा टेंशन मत लेना. आप भी आ जाओगे इस लेवल पर. थोड़े टाइम के बाद आप भी आने लग जाओगे, धीरे 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 धीरे. लोगों को बहुत टाइम हो गया, किसी को 2 साल हो गए, किसी को 3 साल हो गए, लेकिन आप भी आ जाओगे इस लेवल पर. जल्दी आ जाओगे, थोड़ी सी कोशिश करोगे तो. बस सेल्फ राइटिंग कंटिन्यूस रखना अपनी. यही राज है इनका पीछे, जो इतना बोल रहे हैं ना, बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्फ राइटिंग. अच्छे समझ लेना, वही की पॉइंट है, बस उसको पकड़ के रखना. यस कोमल, आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bharwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today our topic is advantages and disadvantages of online classes. We all know that we take online classes and we can take online classes at anywhere, and we can take online classes from anywhere and any time, because there is a interactive classes, and there are many advantages of online classes. Like we can take online classes at our home and at our comfort zone, and when if we are sick, then we can also take online classes, because when we are at our home. And we all know that online classes are very important and necessary for us, because there is also a teacher with and we can interact with our teacher. And teacher do also their best and at interactive classes. And we can and we can't go we can't we should not go to anywhere to take online classes. And we have for online classes we have to only internet. And internet is the most important for online classes. And we can take online classes at our home in any season, like summer, winter, and rainy also. And we can we can we can take online classes. And in the online classes we have many options. We can makes notes. And we can debate, and we can listening, and we can speaking at online classes also. And we student don't talk each other at long time, because there is a teacher and they can interact us, and they rebuke us at our mistakes. And online classes also very helpful for us. And their online classes have many disadvantages, like there is a issue of network and internet, because sometimes there is a issue also. But some students make it issue like internet and network. And they have no focus, and they have no answer of that question, they when they left the class, and they make issue of internet and network. And they switch off their cameras and speakers. And when they say that there is a issue of internet and network, and it is a very big uh, disadvantage of online classes. And students switch off their cameras and speakers when they play games, and they do their any work. And they have many
कोई
disadvantages.
बात नहीं, बोल 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 बेटा, बोल बोल
and
अच्छा बोल रही है, बोल.
and they do their any work, and they also watch TV. and and this is not good, because we have we have to take our classes at a good way. And we should not do that mistakes. And that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड. तो काफी अच्छा करने लगे हो आप. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. हाँ, क्या हुआ अनवी, क्या हुआ बेटा? अनवी कुछ बोलना बेटा. अच्छा, ये इसने लिखा हुआ छोटे वाले ने, हैं? अच्छा,
Yes.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. ओके. हाँ वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today is a Saturday, and we have a speaking session. And our topic is advantages and disadvantages of online classes. As you know that online classes is very helpful for us, and there are lots of apps we can take online class in it, like Google Meet,
हाँ
Vedantu, Byju's,
हाँ, शाबाश.
etc. And the online classes was start in the period of Corona, and when there was lockdown, and everything was shut, and the government of India started the online classes in that period, and now I'm telling about the advantages of online classes. When we are out of town, out of state, and out of country, we can take online class in anywhere. And when there is raining outside, and there is bad weather outside, so we can take online class from our home.
शाबाश शाबाश फोकस करके रखा कर बेटा फोकस थोड़ा सा और डेवलप कर ले बस स्पीड आ जाएगी अपने आप बोल
And we can interact. We can interact we can interact the any question with our teacher, and
we can ask any question with our teacher so
we can ask
interact with our teacher ऐसे बोलना
we can ask any question to our teacher. And now I'm telling about the disadvantages of online classes. Sometimes students switch off the camera because they're eating something, and sometimes they say there is network issue, and sometimes they play games, and they see reels, shorts video, etc. And when sir asked the question to us, and some students left the meeting,
leave the meeting टेंस का ध्यान रखना
leave the meeting, and there is a distraction of our family member. When our family member ask to us anything, and we can't focus, and there is technical issues, and when and we can take online classes in every season, like summer, winter, autumn, and rainy season also. And when we take online class so much, our eyes become so weak, and our eyesights also become weak. And when we take the online class so much, our brain, we take we feel very pain in our mind, and yes sir, that's it.
आज तो बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने और बहुत अच्छा से बोला और लेंथ भी अच्छी थी तुम्हारी आज ऐसे
Yes,
फोकस
sir.
किया करो बेटा बस है ना बेटा हाँ कंसिस्टेंसी रखो थोड़ा सा आपने है ना बेटा हाँ जो है उससे ऊपर जाना है नीचे नहीं जाना बेटा कभी भी शाबाश
Yes, sir.
keep it up बेटा very good yes यामिनी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Saw. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is online classes. So, the creation of online classes was started when the COVID-19 came. In this time period, there there was not any system by which the students could take education, and their source of education was fully locked. So in this case, the government and the big industries and coaching made a platform in which they can in which they could restarted a new source of education, and this source of education was called online classes.
सभी लोग सुनो ध्यान से
And
बहुत अच्छे व्यूज आते हैं यहाँ पर हाँ बोलो बेटा
as each and everything has two faces. The online classes, the online class have also. We can divides this in two parts: advantages and disadvantages. So, firstly, I want to tell you about the advantages of online classes. So, as I already said you that it is very useful and second source of taking education. There are so many students in nowadays. We can see that who take online classes. Um, in in today's time, the online is the online education.
present time.
Okay, in present time we can see that the online classes is the cheapest source of education. There is so many courses which we
There
can.
are so many courses. Singular ध्यान रखो थोड़ा कौन कोड का subject verb agreement का बोलो.
There are so many courses which we can buy in 4,000 and 3,000 rupees only. Uh, in these classes, each and every student is very happy because can he can save his time, which is waste in going to any place to take classes. In this classes, if we miss any lecture, we can record it and listen after we have time. So this class is so useful. Uh, when weather is not well, we can sit inside the home and can take the class. If go if we go anywhere, we can take the classes by our phone. If someone disturbs us, we can use earphones. And there are so good and educated teachers who can teach us by online, and it is so good for us and the students who take online classes can develop his and herself. So the online classes are so useful for us, but there are so many disadvantages also. The first disadvantage in this that the students comfortably sit on their beds and eat food. Is it okay? Because the education and study want attentiveness,
शाबाश बेटा
and
बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा. Very good बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ. शाबाश बेटा.
and we are comfortably sleep on our beds. So this make the students lazy and totally workless. The the students becomes so lazy, and because of this he is not able to went anywhere. The second advantage is which is mostly see that the students
क्या होता है? सीन बोलेगी ना. थर्ड फॉर्म आएगी.
mostly seen that the students take online classes says for only attendance. In the actual way, they are only watching something else and playing games.
Yes, you are right.
And the time when the online classes were in place is went. Now
ये is went. इसके साथ सेकंड फॉर्म
हाँ
लगा रही है। थोड़ा ध्यान करना वर्क फॉर्म पे बेटा, इतना बढ़िया बोलती है लेकिन वर्क फॉर्म पे सब सत्यानाश कर देती है। हाँ
is go because no, sir. Now we can see the big platform of Baidu's and other big coachings have finished
yes you are right.
Because of the online classes, the other offline classes whose teachers are very good and teach very good. Their coachings were their coachings were empty because of online classes. So the online classes are useful for those students who have not money and who do not go anywhere. And if there is not any teacher like Rajesh ji sir, then the online classes are useless. Thank you sir. That's it.
वर्क फॉर्म पे ध्यान रखा कर, सबसे ज्यादा गलती वही करती है। बाकी बोलती बहुत अच्छी है, तो तेरे थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे आते हैं, लेकिन वर्क फॉर्म पे आके गड़बड़ कर दी। वर्क फॉर्म पे थोड़ा सा कमांड कर ले बेटा अपना, है ना बेटा? हाँ चल यस कबीर।
Sir, hello everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rampart Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's topic online classes. As we all know that we are the students of Rampart Online Interactive Classes, and this class is a online class. We can see that there are many childrens and students.
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं बोल, ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा।
There are many children and students who take these class. Their performance is very good, and we can see the result. So first of all, I tell you the advantages of the online classes. We can see that there are some common features like switch off our mic, camera, etc. By these features, we can give our expression and speech to our teacher, and we can sit anywhere in our home. We can take class in our home, and we do not have to go anywhere. In online classes, we can see that there are many good teachers who teaches us very well, and we can take many examples like nowadays a people who become a IPS by online.
या ये पर्सन बोलो, people कैसे बोलोगे?
Oh, sorry sir. A person who become a IPS by the classes. सर बकरियां चराने को क्या कहते हैं?
Graze animals.
He grazes animal and also do study, and now he is IPS, and it is a proud thing that a poor man become a IPS by his hard work and joining the online classes. There are there are a lot of advantages like there are a lot of advantages like we can play with our friends by switch off our cameras, but it is not fair because education want attention.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश
We and if we don't give attention to study the study will सर अपन को नहीं आएगी, इसको क्या कहेंगे?
क्या नहीं आएगी?
या हमको नहीं आएगी,
क्या नहीं आएगी? तो
विद्या विद्या
we want to be able to get education.
to able to get. Oh, okay, sir. So now I am telling about disadvantages of classes. We can students are many students are eating food on their bed and taking class. It is not right. There are many students who on their bed class. These are the disadvantages of online classes, because if teacher ask them why you switch off your cameras, they say that it is network problem. So in my view, there are many advantages, but less than disadvantages. Yes, that's it.
बेटा ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर का ध्यान रखा करो थोड़ा सा बेटा, है ना? यस लक्ष्मी,
Okay.
आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about online classes. The online classes is very popular in the present time because we can take online classes to sitting our home and any place.
Sitting at our home, बस खाली टू को हटाओ. हाँ बोलो.
And online classes is
अरे इसके क्या आएगा? आर आएगा. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बोल रही है.
online classes
हाँ.
are very important in the world, and I did not believe online classes, and because I understood that online classes is are very fake, and they loot.
क्या हुआ? नेट इश्यू?
Yes,
दोबारा
sir.
चालू कर बेटा. हाँ दोबारा बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about online classes. Online classes are very important in the present time, and online classes are very popular in the world. And I did not believe that online classes is the best.
अरे बेटा आर बेटा क्या गलती कर रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
फोकस करना थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
I understood that online classes are fake and they looted our money. But when I joined these classes, I realized that online classes is the best. We don't have to go outside to learn English subject.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
When we take online classes, we can learn about new things, new words, and our vocabulary is and focus is very important in the online classes. And to is in the time of speaking, we can perform best when we keep focus, and we listen about what is going on the class, and my opinion that some students take online classes for run the phone because some parents don't give phone, so they request to their parents that I want to no, we want to take online classes, and they don't open the camera because they play games and they watch reels, etc. and and we can take online classes in any season, and some student eat something while class time. When when we take online classes, our many problems are solved. We can clear our doubts, and we can make notes, and 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 the disadvantages is that some students are excused that my our our connectivity is not good, so I can't take online classes. When the sir rebuke the student, so the student can cut the online classes, and some student keep their phone beside and they watch
शाबाश
TV,
बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
TV when the sir shouts that where are you, so the student don't give any answer, and they are busy to watch TV, and they don't learn about English language, and online classes is the best rather than offline classes.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा यार बहुत बढ़िया
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया। थोड़ा फोकस और डेवलप करेगी तो छोटी मोटी ग्रामर की गलतियां तेरी कम हो जाएंगी, है ना।
Yes,
अब बेटा किसका नंबर है? अब मेरे पास तो गया वो नाम वाम सब तुम्हारे। अब किसका नंबर है? लक्ष्मी के बाद में आ जाओ अपने आप, नाम बोलो अपना और आ जाओ।
Sir, Meera.
यस प्रिया।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is online classes. So, present age is the age of science. Science has given us a lot of facilities, and because of these facilities, we can take online classes in the in mobile phone, laptop, tab, etc. And there are a lot of apps like YouTube, Google Meet, and Zoom on which we can take these online classes. Online classes is becoming popular day by day, and now I'm telling the advantages of online classes. Like we can take online classes at anywhere and anytime. If we are traveling, we can take it easily, and if there is the weather is not good, so we can take it. If the सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं, weather चाहे कैसा भी हो,
weather it doesn't matter much
it doesn't matter much
how
the
the weather is, how the weather is, है ना बेटा।
weather is, and we can take it in summer, rainy season, winter season also. And online classes saves our time and money and energy also. And in online classes, we can take the classes according to our comfort area. If we are distracting, so we can change the place also according to our comfort. And if we are not feeling well, so we can turn off screen, and we can sit according to our facility. And during the online classes, if we are feeling hungry, so we can eat food,
have coffee,
have coffee,
sister,
drink
yes
coffee also according to the weather. Yes, sir. And we can take online classes in every season. also. And now I'm telling the disadvantages of online classes. The biggest disadvantages of these classes is the network issue. In the network issue, the face interaction easily happen could not happen easily, and our communication system also bad in because of the network system. And at our home we are not stay focused in the comparison of offline classes. And at at our home there are a lot of distractions, so we are sometimes we are stay distracted during the classes. And in online classes, because of continuously on taking online classes, it affect our health. It also like our eyesight vision, and we have headache also. uh, these online classes, the online classes system is totally based on the network devices. So these network devices need electricity, and if our device is not charged, so we cannot take the classes easily. And we are not we are not stay focused if our environment is not good. So that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। फ्लो आ रहा है धीरे धीरे आपका, बहुत अच्छा है ना। कंटिन्यू रखो बेटा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। अब किसका नाम है बेटा? आ जाओ, अपने आप आ जाओ। मेरे पास नाम नहीं है आपके, वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था ना मामला सारा का सारा। मेरे पास नाम नहीं है, आ जाओ। किसका नाम है इसके बाद? प्रिया के बाद मधु, तो अंजलि। अंजलि का आ जा।
सर मेरा।
किसका नाम बोलो ना फटाफट से बेटा, फिर अपना।
सर अंजलि फर्स्ट।
हाँ बोल अंजलि, आ जा।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। Advantage and disadvantage of online classes. First advantage.
खाली अगर रजना इंग्लिश ही बोल।
We take online classes anywhere. Teacher cannot slap you.
हाँ, सबसे बड़ा फायदा तो यही है, टीचर कांट स्लैप यू। आगे बोल। हाँ।
And sit and fun in call message.
हाँ।
You off camera and do everything, and teacher did not know what are you doing.
Else than study. बोल।
And second disadvantage. Network problem, light is gone, light problem, battery is gone, your phone is switch off. Embarrassing thing.
हो गया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की इसने। ऐसे कोशिश करना चाहिए सबको करना चाहिए, मैं कह रहा हूँ। हाँ भाई प्रिया, तू बोल, नाम किसका है अंजलि के बाद में?
सर मेरा। रश्मि का है सर।
रश्मि।
गुड इवनिंग।
छोटा बच्चा कहाँ से आ गया? हाँ रश्मि बोलो बेटा।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi. Now, my topic is advantage and disadvantage of online classes. As we know that we are living in a science age, science gives many things to us. Science also gives us online classes. First, I talk about the online classes advantage and disadvantage. First, we talk about the advantage. We take online classes from everywhere, from house, wedding, office, etc. If weather is not good, so we can't take offline classes, but in online classes we don't have these problems. So 2 minutes. We don't have these problems. In online classes, we can take rest. We don't go anywhere for taking these classes. In online classes, we don't have time management. Online classes, we can take help of internet for word meanings. If we are doing any work, still we can take classes. These are our advantage and disadvantage are. In online classes, sometimes have network issue and sometimes we don't have phone. So we can't take online classes. Some students play games and watch reels in online classes. We are distracted because of family, and some students switch their cameras and watch mobile. Some take help of internet if teacher ask any question. Sometime in online classes, because of online classes, our eyesight become weak. Some students put phone beside and watch TV. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ प्रिया, बोलती रहे नाम किस किस का है.
सर मधु दीदी.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Rampan Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today my topic is disadvantages and advantages of online classes. In present time, online classes are very important and useful for students, and online classes can take
Can be taken.
we
can take बोल ले, कोई बात नहीं. Active बना ले.
we can take online classes at home and anywhere and in any time. We can, some students do not go school and they easily can take classes of online. They easily can take online classes, and online classes are affordable, and offline classes सर महंगे को क्या बोलते हैं? महंगे.
Costly, expensive.
Sir. Offline classes are very costly. Some students do not cannot pay amount, and online class there are many types. Sorry, sir. We can take online classes in Zoom, Google Meet, and other apps. Online Google Meet online class. नहीं sir. Some online classes interactive, and some online classes do not interactive classes.
Are not interactive.
Interactive classes. Some students get easily without pay online classes from YouTube.
शाबाश कोशिश करो बस. हाँ.
And increase their knowledge and prepare their exam. And some handicapped students cannot go any place, and they face many problems, so they can take online classes at home easily.
शाबाश शाबाश हाँ
They can read and prepare their exams.
हाँ for their exams हाँ
For their exams. Parents, parents take care. Parents take care their children. Their children. That their children is paying attention in online classes, and online classes are very useful and important for us, and where sometimes some students cannot take classes, then they take classes on recorded classes.
हाँ ठीक है they can take recorded classes okay हाँ
And there are many disadvantages of online classes. Some is, first of all, network issue. Without network, cannot take online classes,
online
and
classes cannot be taken passive voice बनाओ focus करो
cannot be taken
हाँ
online classes, and our connectivity nahi sir. Some children switch their cameras and they play games, and they watch other videos, and they do not focus on their classes, and they waste our money and time.
your क्यों आएगा देर आएगा
Their money and time.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोलो
Online classes are harmful for our eyesight, and that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बहुत अच्छा बस कोशिश करो हो जाएगा अभी बस थोड़े से दिन अपने आप आ जाएगा फ्लो है ना हाँ घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी मत घबराओ अच्छा कर रहे हो बस भरोसा रखो खुद पे ठीक है बेटा हाँ भाई प्रिया
सर काजल
काजल अरे आ गई काजल आजा
Yes, sir.
से पहले उसका नाम था
अच्छा आजा
पहले मेरा ही था.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं बोलो
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is online classes. There are many advantages and disadvantages of online classes. First of all, I'm telling about advantages of online classes. Uh, uh, if we don't, if we miss or classes, we can take online classes, and we बाद में और थोड़ा सा
हाँ बाद में आएगी बेटा तू आज क्या हो गया तेरे को फोकस कर थोड़ा सा थोड़ा डीप ब्रीदिंग कर थोड़ी सी डीप ब्रीदिंग कर थोड़ा सा आराम से बैठ के घबराहट को खत्म कर इसको कोई बात नहीं बाद में आ जाना हाँ प्रिया
सर खुशी गुजर
खुशी आ जा बेटा घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल
Hello,
हाँ एकदम हाँ
hello everyone. My name is Pujar. I am telling about the advantage and disadvantage of online classes. Nowadays, online classes is very useful and important for the student. we can take easily anytime and anywhere. And we can take any season like summer season, winter season, and etc. Some students have no money, so take online classes on YouTube because offline classes is very costly nowadays, and there are many online classes like food recipe classes and education classes and many skills classes on the YouTube. Online classes very popular in time of COVID-19.
हाँ ठीक है घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी फोकस करो अपने टॉपिक के ऊपर हाँ
And I'm telling about the disadvantage of online classes. There are many problems on online classes like technical issues, network issues. Sometimes student play games while online classes.
While taking online classes हाँ
Taking online classes. And if we don't have net, so we cannot be taken online classes. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं लिखना है इसके ऊपर ठीक है ना राइटिंग करो बेटा हाँ राइटिंग करो घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी है ना और उसमें आप हाँ उसमें आ ही रहे हो वाले यस ओके ठीक है यस
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ
सर मैं इसमें नाम लिख दो अपने नाम लिख दो आप चैट बॉक्स में मैं अपने आप देख लूंगा नंबर किसका है प्रिया
सर मेरा
बोलो अंजलि
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and today is my topic online classes and
और ये नाम के अलावा कोई नहीं आएगा ये कौन लिख रहा है ये धर्मेश कुमार मीणा की आईडी से ये बार-बार क्या डाल रहे हो आप बिल्कुल बंद करो बेटा केवल नाम डालो अपना जिसको बोलना है बाकी कुछ नहीं आएगा कोई भी कमेंट बोल बेटा बोल
yes sir we can take online classes like phone, tab, computer, laptop, etc. And first off, I'm telling about the advantages of online classes. And online classes are useful for the students and businessmen, etc. And we can take online classes every situation and every bad weather like rainy season.
बहुत सिंपल सा बोलती है बहुत अच्छा बोलती है सुनो हाँ
Rainy season and summer season, autumn season, etc. And online classes saves our time, money,
बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
and energy. And during online classes, I eat and drink easily in our home, and we can take online classes anywhere easily, and I am telling about disadvantages of online classes.
शाबाश 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 बोलते रहो वेरी गुड
Yes, sir. Uh, Network connectivity is not good. So network connectivity is good, not good in online classes, and some students during online classes, some students play games and go anywhere
हाँ
in online classes, and some students know. सर महत्व नहीं समझते, उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
क्या
महत्व नहीं समझते ऑनलाइन क्लासेस.
डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस
Okay, sir. Some students don't understand the online classes
हाँ
and network problem. During classes, phone calls and messages disturb also. And, online classes affect our health and eyes. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं करो कोशिश करो अभी रिवीजन कर रहे हो ना आप एक बार बस रिवीजन में सही हो जाएगा आप बताओ जो भी लोग रिवीजन कर रहे हैं वो खत्म हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम अब आपकी इसलिए रिवीजन करवाता हूँ
सर
हाँ
सर विपिन बोलना चाहता है.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ किसका नाम है इसके बाद कोई नहीं बोलेगा अभी जो नाम है पहले उनको बोलने दो किसका नाम है
यस सर
हैं?
श्रेया
किसका
सर हमारा
रिया बोलो रिया
Good evening, everyone. My name is Riya Meena. I am a student of Interactive Raman from batch B21. Today, my topic is difference between boy and girl. The Indian society always is living a deep darkness because he difference between boy and girl. Boy and girl, the boys and the girls both are bright. This country's name. This country's name. The society give priority to boys always. He thought that the girls are not able to any work in every field. In every field, the daughters are brightness of every house. You are very lucky in the world if you have a daughter, sister, mother. The daughters are not burden on our head. She is a God gift for us. That's it, sir.
एक बैच तो ले ले कम से कम B20 वाला है ना तेरे से दो बैच पॉसिबल नहीं होता तो एक बैच तो ले ही ले बेटा है ना बेटा
ओके सर
हाँ बेटा अभी तो आराम से हो जाएगा बेटा ये बाद में दिक्कतें आएंगी कैसे भी करके मैनेज करके ले ले बेटा किसका नाम है प्रिया बोलना प्रिया सो गई क्या प्रिया
मुस्कान का है सर
मुस्कान हाँ मुस्कान आजा
Yes, sir. I am Muskan and I am a student of Raman online interactive classes from batch 20. And today my topic is online classes. Online classes is very useful. First, I am telling about.
क्लास चल रही है क्लास छोड़ के भाग गए क्लास चल रही है अभी
First, I am telling about.
बोल बेटा
first I am telling about advantage of online classes. There are many advantage of online classes. You take online classes in laptop and mobile, etc. And you take online classes by apps like Google Meet, and Zoom, etc. And you take online classes in every season, like in summer, winter, raining. और and online classes save times and money, and some children switch off the cameras and eating food, and some children's chatting your friends in Instagram, Facebook, and etc. And some children's go to anywhere.
बोलती घबराए मत कर तू कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला कर सही गलत जो भी है बोल तू आराम से घबराने की क्या बात है इसमें डरने की क्या बात आ रही है बोल आराम से
go to anywhere. And I am telling about disadvantage of online classes. And online class and sometimes electricity don't work properly. Doesn't work properly. You don't take online class, and sometimes sir ask question and children don't ask that question. सर क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दे पाते.
Can't answer the question.
Can't answer the question. And you don't focus properly. And that's it, sir.
ध्यान से करना बेटा, अब रिवीजन कर रहा है ना, चल रहा है ना तेरा, अब अच्छे से करना बेटा, है ना, अब मेहनत करना थोड़ी सी अच्छे से. यस विपिन.
Okay, sir.
My name is Vipin. My topic is advantage and disadvantage of online classes. Online class allow students to learn at their own place. That's it.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके, शाबाश. कोई बात नहीं, अरे आपने पार्टिसिपेट तो किया, कोई बात नहीं है. आज इतना 2 लाइन बोल रहा है, कल 5 बोलेगा बेटा, तू चिंता क्यों कर रहा है. यस काजल.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today, my topic is online classes. There are many advantages and disadvantages of online classes. First of all, I am talking about advantages of online classes. We can take online class at our home, and we can take online classes in mobile phone, laptop, computer, etc. And we can take online classes in every season, like summer, winter, etc. And also we can take online classes in anytime, anywhere. And now I'm telling about disadvantages of online classes. If we have not mobile phone, we can't take online classes. And if our connectivity is not good, we can't take online classes. If if our phone not charge, we can't online classes. And if we use we can take online classes regularly, so our eyesights become weak.
Very good, very good.
And
हाँ,
also we have may headache. And
हाँ,
continuously taking online classes, or we get depressed.
हाँ, शाबाश,
And
बोल, very good. हाँ,
online classes are full for us. And this is online classes are very सस्ते को क्या बोलते हैं?
cheap, not costly, ये भी कह सकते हो.
Cheap.
हाँ, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर नॉट कॉस्टली, ये भी कह सकते हो, या चीप कह दो आप, एक ही बात है. हाँ, बोलो.
Online classes are not costly. And all of take online classes. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you.
कुछ कॉन्फिडेंस रखो और अब रिवीजन अच्छे से करना बेटा, थोड़ा सा है ना. अच्छा है, तुम्हें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस कभी कभी लूज हो जाता है तुम्हारा. यस, अनवी, और नाम लिख लो भाई जिसको किसी को आना है.
Yes, sir.
अनवी बोलो बेटा, आजा बेटा.
Today my topic is disadvantage and advantage of online classes. So the advantage of online classes is we can take it anywhere, and it is not costly. And
very good.
And disadvantage of online classes is the disadvantage of online classes is it we cannot take it without internet and bed.
हाँ बेटा, वेरी गुड.
So that
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा. अपनी कनेक्टिविटी ठीक कर थोड़ी सी, अपनी बैठने की जगह बदलना थोड़ा सा बेटा, है ना बेटा. ये ठीक हो जाएगी तेरी कनेक्टिविटी. और कोई है? आई थिंक ऑल हैव डन. इज देयर एनीवन? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.